Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you through step by step on how to get this Facebook black verification for free without wasting much of your time. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up and share this video. That's the only encouragement you are giving me to create more and more helpful content. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. I will be showing you how to get this black verification for free. You are paying nothing. But you know, most times for you to get your blue Facebook verification is a bit hard, but in this case it is easy. So the main thing you have to do right now is to go to your Google Play Store. Just go to your Google Play Store right now. So once you go to your Google Play Store, just allow it to load up, please. So once you are here, the next thing you have to search is search for this app called let's just remove this. It just pop up. Search for this app that starts with VIA, VIA, anyone. So let's allow it to load up. I already have the app, that's why it's showing me update, but in your own it will show you install. So you have to install the app. Very important. That's very important app you have to do. In my own it's showing me update, so I will just update it, but your own will be showing you install. So make sure you just install it, give it time, and it's finished installing. Please make sure you are following this video step by step, and if you are finding value in this video, please do well to subscribe. So the next thing you have to do right now is to go to the app, the Ver app. Mine is already here, it's already ready. Please note the subscription is free. You are not paying money to subscribe on this Facebook channel, in this YouTube channel. So you search for facebook.com in the Ver website. Let's allow it to load up. Boom, that is it. It's ready right now. Let's just allow it to clear up and load up. Alright, so that is it. So the next thing you have to do now is to go to your profile. Go to your profile, which is in that area where that arrow is pointing at right now. Sorry, let me just tap on that area right now. Please follow this video step by step. It's a bit hard to, but it's easy to do if you can understand it. So that is it. Please, the network is bad and it's loading slowly. Please bear with me. I would not like this video to be too long. So once you get to that area right now, the next thing you have to do is to click on the area where this arrow is pointing at right now. So when you tap on it, you select the account where you want to add the black verification. I'm selecting my Facebook account. So the next thing you have to do now is to go and get a JavaScript. So we'll be getting the JavaScript right now. I'll be linking the link for you to get the JavaScript in the description of this video. So please, once you are ready to do that, just go to the description of this video. You will get the JavaScript, the code where you used to get the thing. So this is how the code look like. So the main thing you have to do right now to just copy the code, edit it. You see the area where they wrote the first name and the second name. You put your first name there, remove that name there already, put your own first name. Then you see where they wrote another area down there where they wrote first name. You remove that area and put your first name there. Then you see where they wrote last name. You remove only that name there, only the name, please. Then you add your own. So I'll be doing it right now. Let me just do that. You just scroll down so that I can edit it. So that is it. So I'll be removing the name. So once you remove the name, then you add your own name. I'll be adding my name, Wisdom. Alright, add my surname there. So the next thing I have to do now is to go to the area where they wrote the first name. Then I will remove that first name and add my own name. Add my own first name. Then the next thing you have to do right now is to click add on the last name, remove it and add your own last name there. So that is it. So I forgot to delete the area. There is something I need to edit from there. That copy the code, I need to edit it. So but if you can see it, I just edited my name and all that, but that area that they wrote copy the code, and please delete it. Anywhere you see what, you just get the code, remove that area. At the first place you see copy this code, just delete that area. It's not needed. If you leave it there, it will not work. So I'll be deleting it right now. Alright, so the next thing you have to do now is to copy the code. Once you have finished editing, just copy it. Then you go back to the app, to the Via app. Then click on the area where that arrow is pointing at, and make sure your name is not in the name box there. Then you remove it by clicking on that X signs there. Then you paste that code which you have copied at that area there right now. Then click on the area where this arrow is pointing at. On the area where this arrow is pointing at right now. So that's what you continue doing. You do it the first time, you do it maybe at least 4 times. Paste the code again, you send it, paste it again, you send it, you still paste it again. This should be the last one. There's a message they will send for you to know that here. Once it shows like this, ignore this message for a minute. That means it is successful. So let's see what we just did. Let's just see what we just did, because it is now ready. So the main thing now, let's go to our Facebook right now. I'm going into my Facebook right now. So this is it. That's the black verification. Boom, it is ready, and it cannot be removed. And it is there, and you cannot even use an emoji to add this black verification. It's through this code process. So please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe once more and share this video to your loved ones and friends who needs to get this black verification. See you in my next video.